Nyash, tell your father school is asking for trip money again.
Dad, they said if we don't pay tomorrow, we stay behind.
Teacher said we will see giraffes and the waterfall.
Field trip again? These schools think money grows on avocado trees.
You bought new rims last week.
A man must look respectable.
Respectable to who?
The world.
Interesting. The world sees the rims. The house sees the invoice.
So, am I going or not?
If she goes, I go too, right?
Why is everything always money? Things are expensive everywhere. There is war happening in the world. Fuel prices are up. Dollar is up. Even Unga is behaving like gold.
The war also bought your rims?
Those were on offer.
Yes, a national emergency discount.
Dad, it's only 3,000.
I have 20 shillings.
3,000 here, 3,000 there. Soon the house is bleeding money. This is the global economy now.
Human Defense Protocol activated. When accountability appears, blame inflation. When inflation appears, blame war. When war appears, blame the universe.
Both of you, pack your bags. You will go.
From where will the money appear?
I sold the microwave today.
You sold the microwave?
So, how will we warm pizza? We will use the stove like normal humans.
Human pattern confirmed. The loudest sacrifice is rarely the real one.
Thank you, Mom.
I will bring you a giraffe picture.
I didn't know.
Of course you didn't. Sacrifice is loud, but comfort is deaf.
This internet is slow because of the war.
Correction, Baba Nyash. Your internet is not slow because of war. It is slow because the entire neighborhood is using your Wi-Fi. Congratulations. You have accidentally launched Nyash Community Internet Services. Cybersecurity tip. Strong passwords stop freeloaders.
So, it is not geopolitics.
No, it is called bad cybersecurity. Changes password. Strong passwords protect your Wi-Fi. But when you're using public Wi-Fi, hackers can still watch your traffic. That is why smart humans use a VPN. It encrypts your internet so hackers see nothing. Even if the cafe Wi-Fi is called free_Wi-Fi_hacker_99. Cyber debrief complete. Stop blaming geopolitics. Start protecting your internet.